Good morning, guys, and welcome to what we're calling our half-sea day. I found a cruise duck, so we're going to be taking this hostage, and I'm going to be hiding this from my buddy Scott, who's going to be on the next sailing on the Celebration, which is leaving late because of us getting back late. So we're going to go find a spot to hide this and enjoy the ship a little bit longer. And sadly, we are all packed up. So it is also a very sad day, but we have the Carnival Jubilee coming up in January 2024, and that is going to Roatan, Costa Maya, and Cozumel. And in Cozumel, we are finally going to Tulum with a Carnival excursion, so that cruise is going to be insane. Now, let's go hide this cruise duck. Okay, so I put it up there. Let's see if Scott can find it. So we headed up to deck 17, and they actually are playing Super Mario Bros. For people to watch right now. But we're also getting our first glimpse of Miami. Way out there in the distance. So we're going to take advantage, get some foosball action in. This one's actually a little sketchy. Well, that was great. We just had the whole ropes course to ourselves and leave with this beautiful view, sailing into Miami. So we decided for sailing into Miami, we're just going to stay on our balcony. Hopefully there's some good cruise ships in port right now, but it is currently 9:33. We don't have to be out of our rooms till 12:30 today, so we're just going to enjoy the sail into Miami. Well, we're off the ship, and that was an absolute cluster. I wanted to fly the drone, but it's raining just enough to where I don't feel comfortable flying it. Plus, we have that big thing of weather coming this way. It looks like it's going to be clear when the Celebration leaves early, so I really hope it is, because I have been waiting to fly my drone. And at this point, I'm just kind of getting annoyed, but it is what it is. I'll be on the Jubilee in January with Brittany, so hopefully I'll get some good flights in then. Alright guys, so we've just been relaxing in our hotel room. We're now about to head over to South Point Park to hopefully watch the Carnival Celebration leave on its new journey without us, unfortunately. Hopefully I can finally fly my drone. Finally flew my drone around the Carnival Celebration. I am so happy, but sad at the same time, because this now officially ends the Carnival Celebration vlog series. And I really thank you guys for coming along on this journey. My next cruise series, though, will be in January on the Carnival Jubilee. It'll be the third sailing of the ship. I'm so stoked. I can't wait. We're going to Cozumel, Costa Maya, and Roatan, Honduras. So I hope to see you guys in the future, and cruise on.